My name is Paula and I recently got bangs. I decided to make a video about them, about my experience, thoughts, and why everybody should get them. Every hairstyle looks really good in them. Second thing I love about them is they're like an accessory to every outfit. You get a +5 instantly. Third of all, they really frame my face. I don't know what you think, but I'm turning 17 in 3 months, and like this, I looked like a 12-year-old. Everybody I met, they thought like, oh, she's 13, right? No, I'm 16. And with the bangs, I don't know if I look younger or older. I feel like I look a little older than this. I don't know, I feel better. That's the truth. Fourth thing I like about bangs is that they make me feel more confident in myself. Since last year, I really wanted something to change. I wanted to dye my hair like blue, but nobody let me. And I decided I really like my natural hair color and I don't want to change it. But I still wanted to change my look. So I was thinking maybe I should cut it. Then I cut them a little shorter right here. It didn't work. I didn't feel like I did something. Actually, they grew out, as you can see, but then I started thinking maybe I should get bangs. And one day I decided that I want to get them. And I did. I just went and I'm like, hey, can you cut my bangs right now? They were like, yeah, sit down. It's just a boost of confidence and mood. If you want them, go and get them right now, girl or boy. Go and get them. I just woke up and I decided that I want bangs. So now I'm going to get them. I got them.